working on this beautiful, beautiful EVO, or Evolution. So we're going to be installing a titanium catback, and we have this beautiful Tomei titanium tip, and I'm very excited to see how it looks. So, if you guys are down, stick with us while we're doing this, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay. Alright guys, so under here we're gonna have two 19mm bolts, just one on each side, and they're gonna be really tight just because of all the heat and everything. It's gonna be just sort of corroded on there. So use either a breaker bar or impact gun, and you should be able to just zip it right off, and then we can move on to the next step.
So guys, we got this thing out. Both of them on this side were all rusted, and so if the Ugga Dugga seems like it's not doing it, just keep going at it and it'll eventually come off. This kit does come with new hardware, so now we're gonna get started on the next part. Guys, this is Danny's stock exhaust. He had a broken hanger right there, so there wasn't anything holding it on there, as you can see. So we're just popping it off of these hangers to just take it off as a full system. As you can see, it's already kind of falling out there. Exhaust off. As you can see, it just came off as a whole. So don't forget to get these hangers off of here so you can hang the other exhaust.
Alright guys, so now since we have the whole system off, all we have to do is just put the clamps on, get everything sort of in place where we think it's going to need to go, and then we'll put it under the car, get everything lined up, get the hanger secure, and we're done.
Okay guys, so you're going to see all this hardware that comes in here. You have a gasket, you have these replacement bolts, oh, just dropped that one, and then you'll have these springs, and then it'll come with this little tool. It's a little Allen wrench, and then this extra bolt. So I'll show you where all of those go. These ones go at the flange at the top of them, so they'll be your biggest bolts. Alright guys, so time for us to hook up this pipe. So we're just gonna hook it up right there, right where we took it off.
Alright, so let's get rid of this old trusty gasket. Ugh. And grab this new guy.
And then it does come with a new gasket, so make sure to use the new hardware so that you don't run into any exhaust leaks or anything like that.
Okay.
And line it up.
Yep.
And then,
thank you.
There's the new nuts going in.
These nuts! Got him!
Then make sure to use anti-seize.
Yeah, when you're doing your exhaust, always make sure that you use anti-seize or some type of lubricant for your bolts, so then when you go to do like the cat lead, or if you ever have to take this off for, like, say replacing a clutch, then it's not all rusted and a pain in the butt to get off. Then it comes off super easy next time. So save yourself that stress.
Yeah, for sure. Alright everybody, so we just finished up. Pretty quick and easy. We just got these bolts snugged down all the way. And then after you get those tight, go ahead and come up. Make sure that your hanger is on first. And then you can clock your tip to where you want it, as well as this center pipe, just to make sure that everything is nice centered, has plenty of ground clearance. And then after that, go ahead and give these clamps a tighten. Make sure they're nice and snug. They don't need to be too tight, but they obviously can't be loose. And yeah, after that, you should be good to go. So what do you think?
Surprisingly really quiet.
I agree.
But I think it sounds good. Once he does the cat delete, I think it's gonna
purr.
really make it wake up.
Yeah, it'll definitely have a nice rumble.